I'm Jennifer BACHDI'M and this is my healthy routine. I want to create a home where healthy choices are always available. I believe good nutrition has the power to transform life, and I get the maximum nutrition for the minimum effort. For me, when my health goals are great, getting the family on board is even better.
If you really miss me, show it to me. If you do respect me, show it to me. If you care about
Healthy eating and daily physical activities is the norm of my family. I'm delighted to make choosing my personal routine, and I'm on my way for the healthiest version of myself. Have you?